Be right back after I open. I have issues opening tiny boxes. Of course I say that and then I immediately open it. Hi everyone, Wygo Warrior here, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. In case you are new, Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I'm 53 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, and doing unboxing videos. If you've landed on my channel because you're interested in seeing what's in the July 2020 Glossybox, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, so I am excited. It is finally here. Glossybox likes to take its own sweet time to get to my door. Got notifications last week that it was shipped, and it finally arrived today. Glossybox is a $21 a month beauty subscription box. It originated in Europe and is available in the US. You get 5 sample size, deluxe travel, etc. products, and sometimes you do get a full size. The box is inside this box. I like how you don't need a knife. Just pull that, and inside will be a lovely pink box. Ooh, not pink this month. Look how pretty. It says Aloha and has some lovely orchids. All right, let's dig in and see what we get this month. So when you open the box, it looks like this. There's usually a ribbon, and there's a card. Here's a card. It says Aloha, and it will have descriptions of the products and sometimes pricing. If the items are travel or deluxe sample, it will list the price of the full-size item. This month we have some kind of salmon tissue paper and a sticker. Here's the box. Let's dig in and see what the first item is. All right. The first item is from Daily Concepts, and it is an exfoliating dual texture scrubber. This body scrubber is perfect for even the most sensitive skin to buff away dead skin cells and dirt. MSRP $12. Okay, I prefer to use, when I exfoliate, I like to use either a serum or in the shower, some kind of cream or lotion that comes with little beads of some sort and exfoliate that way. But I can give this a try. All right, next item. What is this? It's in French, Eclat Boreal. Name of the company is Polaar. Is this a primer? I am so confused. Okay, so this product comes sealed. Holy cow. The MSRP, this is a deluxe sample size, which is 25 milliliters and costs $22. What? That's pricey. The full size is 50 milliliters and costs $46. It says this natural face fluid is packed with Siberian olive, rich in vitamin C and salicylic acid to give you radiant skin, tighter pores, and a more reflective skin surface. I'm not exactly sure. It doesn't say this product is a face cream, a primer. I'm going to look online to see if it gives more information than the card, because right now I'm not exactly sure what this is meant for. All right. Next item. Ooh, interesting. Almost looks like an applesauce or something. This is a Hawaiian black salt peel-off mask, and by a company called Freeman. All right. It says that the MSRP for a full size, which is 6 fluid ounces, is $4.29. This sample is 1.18 fluid ounces or 35 milliliters. I've never tried a peel-off mask. I don't have the attention span to sit with anything on my face for a long period of time. I don't know what attention span has to do with that. I just don't care for masks. Yeah. So, good news is this will probably be in a future giveaway. Speaking of giveaways, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment so you can get entered into my July giveaway. I'm really trying to hit 100 plus subscribers, and I have fantastic products. Check out the video to see what you could potentially win. All right, next item. Ooh, this is quite heavy. It's a little kind of foil, but it's squishy. What is this? It says Hask Monoi coconut oil, half clean beauty, nourishing deep conditioner, vitalizes and hair. Wow. Okay, so that for a sample, although the packaging is hard to keep sealed and use for a sample of foil, because usually you want like a one-time. This, unless they assume you have really long hair, I could probably get 10 uses out of this. I see something that looks very similar. Oh, interesting. They're both, I thought one might be a shampoo, one might be a conditioner, but they're both exactly the same product. Let's see what the card has to say. So the company is called Hask, and this is the Monoi Coconut Oil Conditioner. It says, say hello to a tropical treat with this hydrating hair conditioner, infused with softening Monoi oil, a blend of Tahitian gardenias and coconut oil to hydrate and strengthen. This conditioner protects against damage by softening and strengthening your hair. Plus, who doesn't love a little something extra? What do you mean extra? The MSRP for the full size, which is 12 ounces, is $5.99. Which is, if the full size is $5.99, this is 1.75. Okay. All right. Next item. Ooh, this also feels heavier than what it looks like. What is this? This is a soothing Hawaii facial oil. Oh, sandalwood and lavender. To use after cleansing and toning. Warm in the palm of your hands and massage into the skin using gentle upward movements. Whoa. Okay. First off, it is not safety sealed. Second off, I'm going to try to do this without making a mess. So the bottle is this big. The product is right there. Let me see if I can show you. All right, so this product is interesting. I'm not sure why you only get 1/3, or if it's like a 50 ml. No, this is not a 50 milliliter bottle with 30 milliliters, because I know what 50 milliliters looks like. 50 milliliters is 1.7 fluid ounces. 30 milliliters is what a typical foundation is. This is 30 milliliters. This says 30 milliliters, okay? So I believe this container is 30 milliliters. The amount of product I have is 10 milliliters worth of product. Leave a comment below if you also received Glossybox, got this product, which claims to be 1 ounce, 30 milliliters, but only has like 1/3 of the product in the bottle. Glossybox. The MSRP for the full size, which is 100 milliliters, is $39. All right, last item. What is this? Ooh, I see the Balm. This is a mystery. I'll be right back after I open. I have issues opening tiny boxes. Of course I say that and then I immediately open it. Alright, this looks very similar to something I got in a different box. Just the packaging is the same. So it's glass. I haven't read it yet, but I'm curious, based off of what it looks like, if this is going to be a 2-in-1 lip balm and cheek balm. Let's read what the card has to say. The Beauty Crop. Take a breather in this 2-in-1 combo that enhances your lips and cheeks. Am I psychic? No. Did I receive a product almost identical? Actually, identical to this. The brand was different. Packaging identical. Color just about identical. Which I got, I believe, in my Allure box. The one in the Allure box was full size and retailed for $16. Let's see what the card says for this guy. Okay, so when I originally read off the box, in big letters it says Balm. It's actually Palm Balm. It's by a company called The Beauty Crop, and the name of the product is Palm Balm. This is the same product, same type of product, lip and cheek, that I got in my Allure box. The full-size item in Allure was $16. This is $21. Okay, so let's recap what we got in the July 2020 Glossybox. All right. If you can't tell from my expression or lack of being a little speechless, I think you all know where I'm going. I am not super impressed with this Glossybox. Weird product. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. Only this much product in the bottle. This is a face oil, by the way. We have this dual scrub. I'm not into using, if I'm going to exfoliate, I'm going to use a serum or a face scrub product when I shower. We got a peel-off mask. Frankly, I'm not into peel-off masks. Packaging is interesting. You know, it's one of those foil things, but at least it has a way to dispense and cap the product. Unlike the next items, we have some hair conditioning, deep hair conditioning products with coconut. What is this? Coconut oil. Lovely. Lovely product, or I'd be interested in trying. However, this is a very large sample size, but you just tear the edge and it's going to ooze all over. I mean, I don't think you're supposed to use this entire thing on your hair. Let me see. What does it say? Directions. Massage into clean, wet hair and focus on damaged areas. Leave on for up to 10 minutes and rinse well. Each package contains 2 to 3 uses. Alright, if you have long hair, I can see 2 to 3 uses. I could probably get 5 to 6 out of this. Regardless, it's more than one use. You tear the side, it's going to squirt on out. And last, we received this lip and cheek product. I have never used a lip and cheek product. However, in my brain it goes like this. If it's moist enough, creamy enough to go on the lips, it shouldn't be on your cheeks. And if it's dry enough to go on your cheeks, it probably shouldn't be on your lips. I don't know. Comment down below if you've used products like this before. Never seen it, and all of a sudden, within 2 boxes, I get a very similar product. Let me know. Do you subscribe to Glossybox? If so, what are your thoughts? Am I being too picky? $21 to me. That's only $4 off from the Ipsy Plus and BoxyCharm, where you get 5 full-size products in each of those subscriptions. Here we're getting, yes, so we got 6 items, but they're all, except for one, Deluxe, Sample, or Travel. Although this is the full-size product, it's not very big. I honestly think I paid for 3 months in advance for Glossybox. I think when I'm done filming, I will be canceling. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope you got the information you were after, as far as if you are on the fence about Glossybox. You know my opinion. Let me know if you subscribe, or if you used to subscribe. We're curious what you're missing out on, and now you're glad that you no longer subscribe. Also, let me know if I'm being picky. I don't know. For $21, you get just as many items in the Allure box, which I find slightly better products, and it's $6 cheaper. It's only $15 a month. Alright, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click the bell icon to be notified of future videos, and leave me a comment. Alright, thanks everyone.